Namaste friends, what's up? Today we're eradicating top 5 coding mistakes that make us want to pull our hair out. Let's dive into some mistakes which are generally made while coding. First, code formatting mess. Imagine trying to read a story written without paragraphs or punctuation. That's what unformatted code feels like. Inconsistent indentation, missing comments, and strange variable names make your code a nightmare to navigate. Solution for this is use proper indentation, write clear comments, and choose meaningful variable names. Treat your code like a well-organized document, not French fries or pav bhaji. Second, skipping the dry run. A dry run is a practice session where you walk through your code without actually executing it. Think of it like going through the recipe of pav bhaji and gathering the ingredients for it. This helps you identify potential errors before you invest time debugging a running program. Solution: before hitting run, take a moment to walk through your code step by step. Think about the expected behavior and identify any areas that might cause issues. Imagine while making pav bhaji you made bhaji but forgotten to buy pav from the market. Third, comment overload. Too many comments can be like having fish market in your IDE. Solution: focus on writing clear, concise comments that explain complex logic. Let your well-formatted code speak for itself. Fourth, not using the full power of your language. Not knowing the features and capabilities of your programming language is like having a Doraemon's spare pocket with shiny and useful gadgets but not knowing the use of it. Solution: explore the documentation and tutorials for your chosen language. Learn about advanced features and how to use them effectively. 5. Falling into the tutorial trap. Tutorials are fantastic tools, especially for beginners. But there's a fine line between learning and getting stuck in a never-ending loop of tutorials. The problem is new programmers sometimes fall into the tutorial trap. Imagine a person who never cooked anything and starts to make pav bhaji. The rest you know. The solution is to set time limits for tutorials and focus on building small projects to solidify your understanding and gain a sense of accomplishment. Remember, coding is about exploration. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. Thanks for watching and do subscribe. Happy coding!